How to check link in bio on Instagram. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to check link in bio on Instagram. So to check the link in bio on Instagram, you could follow these steps. So what here you need to do is, or you must have heard a lot of influencer or people talking about, you check my link on the bio when you open the Instagram app. Now when you open up the Instagram app and when you go to any of these content, you might find these option, or you might find a content creator stating that you could check the link in my bio, right? Now for example, let's say, or let's go to this page. All right, so what you need to do is, when the person or the influencer sees about or talks about the link in the bio, you need to visit their profile. So to visit their profile, you just need to click on the username at the top left corner of your screen. Now as you can see, for this there is a link. Here it is. This is the link in the bio. At the top of the page there, they have the info of their account page, and if you click on this link, it's going to take you to the page. You could just go ahead and click on it to expand the link, and that is where you could find what is actually in the link. So this is the basic way you could check link in bio on Instagram. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.